Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install my 6x6 closure by Wiggins hair. So like I said before, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this 6x6 unit by Wiggins hair, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I take it from freshly washed like this to laid flat on my head like this. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this, just keep on watching. Alright, so right now I'm just showing you the ins and out of the unit. It comes with 3 little clips, well, comb clips in the wig, and then as you can see, it's a little bit brown on the lace. That's from the foundation that I use. It doesn't come off anymore, so I guess that's what I'm gonna have to work with. But yeah, so some specs on the hair is that it's a 6x6 closure. Obviously, its body wave is 22 inches. The cap is a small size, and it's 180% density.
Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on nice,
So the hair is freshly washed, as you guys can see, and it's giving me dry tease. It's really dry, so I'm going to be adding some moisture back into the hair. I'm going to be going to my little crate of moisture, is what I like to call it, and I like to use these products to kind of add moisture back to any hair, even my natural hair as well. But today I'm going to be using BioSilk Therapy Light, and I'm also going to be using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine, and of course we're going to be using some heat protectant. My favorite spray, which is the Tresemme heat protecting spray that I got from Target. Okay, so while I was actually doing the hair, I found this bald spot in the wig. This is the first time I've seen this bald spot on this day, so I'm guessing this hair sheds really easily because I was very gentle with the hair, and honestly I don't know when this got here or how it got here, but it's not that big of a deal because I just brushed the hair over it. But I wanted you guys to see that this might happen to you if you decide to get the unit. So every time I wash this unit, I always make a little bit of like some more customizations. So here I'm just plucking the wig just a little bit more in the front, then I'm taking my hot comb just to lay down the hair and get everything flat, and then after this I'm just gonna go in with my curling iron and just begin curling the hair.
So many times I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on nice, cause I can't breathe. I'ma put my heart on nice, getting the best of me. I've been broke so many times, I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on nice, cause I can't breathe.
Okay, so I'm back looking like the bald and the beautiful. I went to go do my makeup off camera. If you want a video on this makeup, just let me know and I'll be glad to film one. But anyway, the wig is now freshly curled, as you guys can see, and I'm going to be customizing the lace. The lace has been through a lot, let me tell you. Every time I wash this hair, I try to cut a little bit of lace off, and it's been jacked up. There's holes in it, there's leftover foundation that will not come off on it, but we're still holding strong. So we're just going to be taking some face powder. This one is from MAC, I believe, and I'm taking a flat top brush and I'm just going to pat this into the lace so I can blend it to my skin a little bit more. Okay, so I didn't know if I told you this before in the beginning, but this hair does come with adjustable straps, so that's what you guys see me doing here. I'm just trying to fix the straps, make it a little bit more tighter. Then I'm going to plop it in my head, flip it over, and then begin laying it down. Okay, so now that the wig is exactly where I want to be when it's laid in the spots that I want it, I'm going to be taking my edge brush, and y'all don't think you guys see me doing it, but I'm spraying it with some got to be glued spray, the free spray, and I'm pushing the hair back and I'm bringing the edges to the front just to kind of separate it so I could just work with the edges for now. Then I'm going to go in and cut the edges to my liking and then begin to obviously lay this down. To apply this unit, I typically like to stick with just the got to be glue and got to be glue spray combination. So to start off with the install, I'm going to take my 91% alcohol and just clean the area where I'm going to be applying the combination of the glue and the spray. And I'm just going to be taking a very thin layer of that got to be glued and just spreading it across the location where I want the wig to lay. Then I'm going to take that got to be glued free spray and put it on the exact areas. Fan it down just a little bit because the wait time on this combination duo is not a long time, so it pretty much dries very quickly. This is why I really enjoy using this combination. And then I'm just going to apply the wig, kind of put it where exactly I want it to be, then kind of touch it up with some free spray, and then I'm going to do my edges, and then I'm going to lay this bad boy down with my silk scarf. I like to leave this on for at least 10 minutes to make sure that the lace is fully melted into my skin, and as you guys could see, it is. And I'm going to be taking this She Balm wax stick. I showed it to you guys in the beginning of this video, but I didn't mention it. So it's a wax stick by the brand She Balm. It's basically just to keep the flyaways down, and I'm going to be using this on the sides, on top of my head. And I'm going to be going back in to recurl the hair. You guys are going to see it very soon. So that's going to bring me to the pros and cons of this hair. I'm going to give a quick review. The first con would be that this hair does not hold a curl despite the fact that it is a body wave texture. I don't know what's going on there, but it doesn't hold a curl for that long. And I know it's not my curling iron because this is the only unit that this happens to. And the other con would be that, as you guys also saw, was a huge chunk of the lace was missing. So this hair does shed a lot, but I didn't know it's going to shed in clumps like that. So that's going to be the two cons of this hair. But it's not all bad because this hair actually has a pro that I really enjoy. I actually did not bleach the knots on this unit. How you see it is how it came. The only thing I've been doing is just putting powder on the lace, and it looks extremely natural, and I love that because it makes me just have to skip a whole step in the customization process. You don't know how much time I saved, so it's just a really big plus that the knots look extremely natural. And another pro is that this hair is actually very soft, which makes it very easy to like control and to manage. So I just love the fact that this hair is so soft and bouncy, and it also looks extremely natural without any effort.
Mask on, put your mask on.
So that'll bring us to the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed content like this, please give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe, and to check out Wiggins' hair, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Parlay in Vegas, we was in attendance. Before the business, be the door lenses, be the door prescriptions. Focus on the mission, for my intermission. Never take a break, we can switch states, switch down foreign place. Speech ain't no way, ain't no fucking way. Contemplate, we didn't contemplate. Rob the bank, we gon' rob the game. They gang, we gang, but they're not the same.